Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the official SAT study guide. Begin with a timed diagnostic test to establish a baseline and reveal weak areas immediately. Work through each section by reviewing answer explanations and noting recurring mistakes to correct. Build a realistic weekly schedule that mixes content review, targeted drills, and full practice tests to improve pacing, accuracy, and confidence across all sections. Create study blocks that alternate content review and practice to keep progress steady and measurable. Start each week with a clear focus, such as algebra or passage strategies, then use timed sets to apply those skills. Keep an error log to identify patterns and prioritize weak topics for the next block. Regularly simulate full tests to check pacing and stamina, adjusting the plan as your scores and strengths change. Target question types by practicing official examples until patterns feel familiar and strategy selection becomes automatic. For reading, annotate and summarize to find main ideas quickly and answer evidence questions with precision. For math, lock down formulas and work multi-step problems with a timer to improve speed. Use process of elimination on multiple choice and estimate grid-ins, then review mistakes to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.